Hey guys, today I am doing a review of this palette right here. Um, it was a fucking disaster. If you want to see that shit show go down, keep on watching. Today we are going to go over the new Kat Von D I Am Divine eyeshadow palette. It is limited edition and it is pretty crazy out there colors. I will show you what it looks like. It comes like this and it looks like this. There are 8 shades in this palette and 3 of them are matte. So the first shade is called Babs. It looks like this. The second shade is a matte shade. It is called Hard Magic. And all of these shades are named after on-screen or off-screen performances by the drag queen Divine. So it looks like that. The next shade is called Baltimore. Is a really pretty blue color. Looks like that. Next we have Waters, and it is the second matte shade in the palette. And it looks like that. Then we have Filthy. And it looks like this. The next shade is a like lime green color, and it's called Pink Flamingos. Looks like this. Next shade is the last matte shade in the palette, and it's called Female Trouble. And it looks like that. Lastly, we have Hairspray. And it looks like this. Kat Von D named this palette after the late drag queen Divine, and it is a symbol of positivity, self-expression, transformation, and the beauty of a true original. So I really like the concept and the idea behind the palette. However, to be completely honest, this palette, in my opinion, is not what I consider a complete palette. And by that, I mean, in order to create multiple looks, you would have to use another palette with it. I don't have a problem doing that. I have tons of palettes, so it's not an issue for me. And I do it with even palettes that are considered complete palettes. I just like to mix things up. So that is not a problem for me. But if it's an issue for you, I would definitely say, in my opinion, this is not a complete palette. I had such a hard time completing a look from start to finish without adding another palette. So I am going to use the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette in conjunction in order to create this eye look. Okay, so here is the final look. It is an absolute disaster. I'm a huge fan of Kat Von D. I love everything about the brand. I'm not gonna lie, I would never repurchase this palette. It was not good. It was a disaster. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.